So we got something for the bike. We got an exhaust, and I'm very excited about it because I'm tired of the bike being. It sounds like something from the Jetsons. I don't understand it. It's weird, but anyway, we got it. So let's put it on. So as you know, everything's a T5. There's a T5 right there, and then you just slide it off, and it falls right off. It's that easy. Next, you have a 13mm here, which there is a nut on the back, and then you also have this one right here, and then this whole piece will come off, and we're ready to put the new one on. We got the old one off, and now it's time to put the new one on. Now, obviously, we have to start this thing up without an exhaust on it. That's obnoxious. Alright, so I'm just going to make it short and simple because it's very difficult to do this as a single person here and not having a camera in it. So you just put your mid pipe on, your clamp right here, put your springs to your muffler, and then your bracket as well. Your bracket, make sure you don't tighten it all the way up until you have everything squared away up here first. So let's go ahead and get a cold start on it. Night and day. All right. Wow, this thing sounds so much better. So this is technically the next day, but listen, I had to go to work. Oh man, not the school zone. Oh god, I might be late to my dentist appointment. Anyway, long story short, I'm going to the dentist. Wow, that's a lot of cars. I'm going to the dentist and I need gas very badly. I am extremely low on gas. This thing is obnoxiously louder. So I feel like I feel like the exhaust might be a little loud for the vlogs now, so I might actually have to put the silencer in. I'm not gonna lie, even though I really don't want to. It's a little chilly today. It says it's 82, but I don't know if I believe that it's 82. This thing sounds happier, I'm not gonna lie. Just with the not being so muzzled. I don't really know what the word I'm looking for is. It was just very, very tamed before. Now it like actually sounds healthy. I don't know how to explain it. definitely opened up a lot. I mean, there's plenty of people that say that the exhausts literally make a world of a difference on these bikes, but I'm now to the point where I'm inclined to definitely believe that. Just trying to get to the gas station. Sometimes I wonder why I'm so weird. There's a whole ass concrete truck coming up behind me. Alright, cool. They're going right. Come on, let's go. I always forget to put my music on now. Now that I don't need my helmet for the the voice for my videos, I keep forgetting to do music now. It's weird. I really regret buying this helmet. It just a heads up, if anybody's watching this and doesn't have a helmet yet, don't buy the Senna Outrush R. It's a very annoying helmet, to be honest. I really regret it. I should have returned it when I still had the shot. Holy crap, come on. Yeah, it's yelling at me. I need to get gas. Come on. Give us a green light already. Okay, where are you going? Make up your mind. Somebody make your mind up. What are you doing? Who the f is beeping at me? I'm only a few minutes late. It'll be okay. Hopefully. This thing is a lot more peppy. I don't like these kind of intersections. I feel like I just feel so out of control. Because, like, there's just people everywhere. I mean, there's people trying to turn, there's people going straight, there's people going right, left, forward, backward, like, nobody cares. It's just very, very stressful. That's the best way that I can explain it. So, anyway, guys, this video is literally just so you guys can hear the exhaust. So, I don't really have a topic here. I will say that if it is too loud, then I will put the silencer in. I would really very much prefer to not put the silencer in, though. But if I have to, I will. It's no big deal. It's okay. It is what it is. Come on. They would have left me a little bit more room, I totally would have just fucking taken the gap. No, I can't make that. like I said, I went to the dentist. I got veneers on some of my front teeth just because it wasn't much more than just getting some fillings replaced from when I was younger that were just due to be replaced. They were starting to kind of go away. But anyway, so this is the first time I've ever had them use a laser on my gums, because what it was at the top of the veneer or the crown, it was the gum didn't grow over the tooth, basically. So what they were doing was they were filling in the void with basically a filling, essentially, so that it wouldn't allow anything to get in there into that void and cause like a cavity or something like that on my remaining tooth underneath my crown. So I think this is the road. I could be wrong. No, this is it. So they used a laser and basically burned the gum away, and that's the first time I've ever had that done. So I was like, I'm a little bit confused. A little bit confused. I don't know what to expect. And they were like, it's really nothing. Just basically go about your normal day and rinse it with some warm salt water if you feel you need to. I was like, oh, okay. So now here we are. That was fun. Probably not appreciated by any means, but it was fun. Oh, that was a really good downshift. Haha, I'm figuring it out. This thing literally feels like it's got at least like 5% more power now. This thing feels so much more open. I'm loving this exhaust. It's loud, it sounds good, it's deep. In my opinion, sounds better than any of the other options. Woo! I'm trying to get better with the leaning. I get more comfortable. Should probably wait till I have all my gear on. I'm just have a helmet and gloves on today. That was close. No, no, no. I hit her with that finger of disappointment. Guys, I don't know what to tell you, but if you don't ride motorcycles and you're thinking of getting one, be very careful on it, please. Don't do anything stupid, but I'm telling you, get it. It is phenomenal. It is the most free that you will feel in your entire life. Why are you flying up on my butt? I don't like it. God, this exhaust sounds so good. It's probably so obnoxious on video, though. So, I don't know about you guys, but I think that it's a million times better. It's louder. It doesn't sound like a Jetsons car anymore. It's flying through the sky. And honestly, I think it sounds so good. And it pops on that decel, too. Whew, I love it. So, anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.